Stop making glitchy, random AI clips. Here's how to actually force Grok to create a consistent 60-second movie where the characters look the same from start to finish. Step 1. Ask ChatGPT for a story. But be clear that you want it broken into 5-second visual prompts. This gives you clean, predictable scene boundaries and keeps everything easy to manage. Step 2. Open Grok, switch to video mode, and paste that very first prompt. Hit generate to build your foundation scene. This first clip is important because it defines your main character, the lighting, the color palette, basically the entire visual style the rest of your movie will follow. Now here's the secret most people miss. Don't just move on to the next prompt. Let the first video finish, then scrub to the final frame and pause on it. Right-click and choose Copy Video Frame. Take that copied image and paste it straight into the prompt box for Scene 2, right next to your next text description. This forces Grok to begin the new clip at the exact visual point where the old one ended. From here, just rinse and repeat for every single prompt. Doing this locks the characters, lighting, angles, and overall feel of the entire movie. For the voiceover, grab a free, natural-sounding voice from a tool like Google's Gemini TTS. Just paste your script, hit run, and download the MP3 audio file. Finally, stitch the video clips in your AI audio in CapCut Pro or Canva. Add scene transitions, captions, and sound effects, and you're done. Subscribe for more workflows.